Okay, in this video, I'm going to kind of go over your your administration panel and give you a short interview. When you first log on, you'll actually come up to this page, which is your dashboard. Under your dashboard, you can see you can add a new article. Article manager, that's where you actually manage your articles. Front page manager, that's the articles that will be on the front page. Your section manager, your category manager, your media manager, you actually use your media manager. You can use it to upload images and video. However, if it's real large video, it's a better way of doing it. Then you have your menu manager where you actually manage your menus on the front of the website. The language manager, the site can actually be used like if somebody wanted everything in Portuguese, right? You could change it there. User manager is where you actually manage all the users on the website. Global configuration is actually where you configure the site, such as like what kind of editor, the name of the site, licenses, and things like that. So that's pretty much is on the dashboard. Now here on the next tab, on the menus tab, this is where you actually go in there and manage your menus. Like right now I have a main menu and a user menu, but as if you wanted to create them, right, this is where you would go. And basically as you look over here, you can copy, delete, edit, new, and help. So if I wanted to create a new menu to put on the website, I select new. If I wanted to delete one, then I could just go over here, hit delete. Over here it tells you the title, the menu type, the menu items, right? So it says like this one has 36 items under the main menu. This has got one unpublished. That means they can't see it. It's one menu items is unpublished. Three of them is in trash. That means I deleted them. Modules one, and then the ID of the main menu is one. Go to articles. Articles is going to actually just show you all your articles. You have a menu here so they can be unarchived. If you want to unarchive article, publish an article, unpublish an article, move an article, copy, trash, edit, new. The perimeter is on here. The perimeter setup, whether or not if somebody can, like for instance, print it or make it into a PDF. Whether or not if it's going to show the author or not. So you can just go through there and kind of look. It's kind of real self-explanatory. Components, which is actually these over here, like your main component that you're really going to be working with is this one right here, Zoom Social, which I'll go over later. And modules. Modules is actually on the front of your page. It actually displays it actually displays all the information on your website. So let me pull this up and I'll kind of show you where the modules are. Okay, everything on this page is actually a module. So this is a module, this is a module, this is a module, this is actually sitting in a module. Everything is on this page is a module except right here in the front page. So and you can actually move these modules around. I'll get to that in another video. Plugins you really won't have to deal with. I already put them all in here, but plugins is actually code that I plugged into the existing code, and what it will do is actually change the existing code. So you really won't have to do anything with that. I've already done all that. Installers, now say for instance if you wanted to go in and install something like a shopping cart or a different calendar module or anything like that, it can be a component. This is where you would go to install it. Okay, over here the components, when it got components, modules, plugins, languages, and templates, right, all of these is where you would uninstall it. Over here you have templates. So if you select on templates, right, as you can see, this is actually, you'll only have this one, which I built this site on. These are, I'll delete out of here. And then these are actually on the front page templates. That's the site templates. If you want to see the administrator templates, you select there. And then you can go in here and set up the perimeters, manage templates, install templates. Really, you won't have to do anything there. Okay, that's about it, and I hope that helps.